No need for extra hype in the MAC today as it's the Battle of I-75. 1 year ago, the Rockets and the Falcons basketball teams met 3 times, twice in the regular season and in the opening round of the MAC tourney at Savage Arena, with the home team winning all 3 meetings. Toledo bringing in plenty of momentum into tonight's game, winners of 6 in a row, while the Falcons have lost 3 of their last 4, including a 31-point drubbing in DeKalb on Tuesday night. Now, if you talked to the Falcons this week, you repeatedly heard how good offensively the Rockets are playing right now. And what a fantastic crowd on hand at Savage Arena, close to a sellout. Falcons, though, would start off quickly. Anthony Wayne grad Matt Fox got the start and responds. Eyes it flies it, 3 is good. BG up early. Later, DiMaggio Wiggins into the post, backs down, gets the bucket. Falcons up 7, but the Springfield product held to just 8 points and 1 rebound, more from the visitors. Justin Turner finds Derek Cook, freshman, throws it down. Falcons up 5. Cook 1 of 3. Falcons with 13 points, but after that, Rockets lift off. Willie Jackson, the transfer from Missouri, the slam dunk, 1-point game. Later in the first half, Luke Kanapke, big man, the 2-hand slam. Kanapke, 14 points, 9 rebounds. And at the end of the half, Jalen Stanford out of Trayshawn Fletcher plays beat the buzzer and wins. Rockets up 24 at the half and cruise to the 101-75 victory. Fletcher, 26 points, 12 rebounds, 8 assists. Nate Navigado adds 17, 14 for Stanford as the Rockets have now won 7 in a row.
Well, we were pretty efficient at both ends of the floor offensively, shooting 72% in the first half and 67% from the game. Had very few turnovers in the first half. I thought we did a good job defensively on their perimeter. We limited them to tough twos, and obviously Wiggins, he's a tough cover for us. But we didn't get extended and give up threes. We only gave up, I think, 1 3 in the first half. They were 1 of 3. Dylan made 2 threes. Navi made 1 3. Luke gave us a good lift. Trey was unbelievably efficient, just finding guys. Jalen was really good in ball screens tonight. So I thought we played at a really good tempo at both ends of the floor tonight.
It was good. We knew there were a lot of fans were going to come out, and there was going to be a lot of energy in the building. And we just wanted to make sure we played to our strengths, and we didn't want to take them lightly. Despite their record, we knew they were going to come out and give us a hard fight. And I think we had a slow start, but we made up for it in the first half, and we just played to our strengths, and we just did what we needed to do tonight.
We're young. We're a young team. We start 2 freshmen, 2 sophomores, and a junior. We got to learn the hard way on what we need to do in order to win games, and we're learning. We've gotten better. Today was actually a step forward, so I'm all right. I'm okay.